Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics, and as you can see, we are getting ready for Christmas. As quilters and makers, we know that it takes time to create all these amazing things that we want to create for our home or give as a gift. Stof Christmas is what you're seeing on the set with us, easily our customers' most favorite Christmas collection of all time. Over the decades I've been doing this, this is the #1 collection. We released Stof Christmas last year in 2022 with that release, and it went absolutely viral. Many of those sets have sold out, and people have been asking for more. And thankfully, Stof Christmas came out with their 2023 release. We already have gotten started, and we're just getting started, by the way, making with this amazing array of fabrics from the reds, the greens, the golds, the creams, stunning blues, and that more classic, if you really love that kind of icy look for winter, we have a beautiful new colorway, the light blue. Here's what's the most important thing to do. Stof Christmas makes their fabric one time. This year, we're offering half-yard sets as well as the fat quarters. We heard that request last year. So many people wanted more than just a fat quarter. They wanted half yards because they're like, I'm going to run out of that fat quarter with the first project. Can you make bigger pre-cuts, half-yard sets? Those are available and for a very limited time. Once they're gone, we cannot make more. So most important thing, get your pre-cuts. Let me just tell you what project you'll be able to make with those. Videos have been filmed. Free downloads are available, plus much more to come. I'm continuing to design with this collection, so grab your pre-cuts while you can. There's much more coming. Let's just start off with what's on the table here. These amazing reversible placemats, super fun, done in just a short amount of time. And I love that you can grab the red and the green set and the tan, and they all look beautiful together, and they're fully reversible, right? You can have both sides. No placemat is complete without a matching cloth napkin. That's what's here. These are also reversible. So whether you want the green on the outside or you want the tan, that's your choice. And of course, it's set off beautifully with that gold ring. All of the Stof Christmas has metallic, either gold or on some of these, silver. It's just amazing, the beauty and depth of this and the hand of this fabric. There's just a sturdiness about this fabric that is going to last year over year over year. And you're going to be so happy to bring this out every year. I know I am. I've already brought some of my Stof Christmas out in anticipation of the Christmas season coming. And the fabric is just as spectacular as it was last year. Moving around the table here, there's some NoSew ornaments. So let's say you're not big on sewing, or maybe your sewing machine is in the shop. We have projects for you. Let's start off with this beautiful Christmas tree. We made, of course, with our green, but our red and our kind of cream tan are meant to be our ornaments. So I love how that was done. Folded and pinned to a kind of a styrofoam core, a fun project to do with your family with folding and pinning. We have the NoSew quilted Christmas ornaments, wonderful to make with a family or give as a gift. You can kind of collect those year over year and make some new ones each year as your favorite fabrics come out. The Scandinavian Snowflake kind of star ornament, we've done a video on that as well. Really fun, made with some fusible webbing, and there's a lot of kind of folding, kind of weaving in and out. Another great one to do with the family. Moving over this way, we've got some projects that are made with a little bit of sewing. The Cathedral window ornaments, I love that, just that look, that classic cathedral window. Another one great to make for your tree or give as a gift. And you can see how pretty it is in the classic colors. But if you're loving that kind of more modern look, that kind of icier look of the silvers and the blues and the whites, you can see how amazing this looks here with those ornaments too. I love that look. I'm torn. I love both those looks. This is a 3D snowflake. One of the things I love about this, while this could be decoration, it could be a Christmas ornament, around January, and I'm sad to put away all my Christmas ornaments, I like to bring out the snowflakes made in blues and silvers because now I still kind of keep it going. It's kind of Christmas-esque, but it's not fully Christmas. It's just this beautiful snowflake because we certainly have plenty of snow here in North Idaho. And many more projects to come. You can check out all of our videos, of course, and you can just imagine. I'm sure you have patterns at home. You're like, yes, I can just imagine that pattern in these amazing fabrics. So the most important thing, get your pre-cuts. You can watch these videos at your convenience, but these fabrics are made for a very limited time. So I'm so excited about this collection, obviously, and you'll be seeing more videos soon of projects where we're releasing them made in the Stof Christmas. If you didn't subscribe yet to YouTube, do it now, and make sure you've also subscribed to our email list. That's where we send out the information about Stof Christmas being available, new kits, blocks of the months, and more reserves that you can secure. I know you're going to be getting those kits. Thank you for giving me a little bit of your time today to show you all these beautiful projects made with Stof Christmas.